Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Sign into Windows using an Administrator Microsoft account before you begin setup. Open Settings and confirm your edition is Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise, or Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise. Install all pending system updates and enable BitLocker if your organization requires encryption. Request the VPN server address, username, password, and pre-shared key from your administrator. Write these details down so you avoid mistakes during entry. Ensure your internet connection is active and stable on the network you will configure. Open Settings and navigate to Network and Internet, then select VPN and add a VPN connection. For VPN provider, choose Windows and name the connection with a clear label for future use. Set the server name or address exactly as provided by your administrator, and choose ICAV2 or L2TP with a pre-shared key when required. Enter your username and password and paste the pre-shared key into the appropriate field. Enable the option to remember sign-in info, if allowed, and then save the profile. Click the network icon on the taskbar or Open Settings VPN to select your new connection and choose Connect. Wait until the status changes to Connected and then test access to internal resources like file shares or intranet pages. Verify your public IP reflects the VPN by using a trusted IP check site to confirm tunneling. If connection fails, check Windows firewall and antivirus settings, confirm the server address and pre-shared key, and restart your device before contacting IT support for logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.